In this training video, I am going to demonstrate some of the Bluebeam Review mobile functionality. So when on an iPad, you have features such as measurement, markup, and searching capabilities. When I open up Bluebeam Review, I'm going to click on the File Cabinet icon. This is already linked to Oxygen, so I'm able to go through my folder structure and find the documents that I would like to annotate on. So here I'm going to navigate through my folder structure and pull up a current drawing. Note that within a matter of seconds, the document opens and I'm able to zoom in and move the document around. I can also move this left-hand toolbar over. Now I'm first going to start off with the markup functionality. In the top right, you'll see the markup icon, and on the left will be the toolbar of all your options. You have text, highlighting, callouts, clouds, etc. So to apply one, simply click on the icon and place it on the document. If I wanted to do a call out, it will prompt me to enter text. I can also click on the camera icon, and what that'll do is activate my camera so I can take a picture. I'll click Use Photo, and now my picture is placed in my document where I'm able to move it around and resize it. So while walking the job site, you're able to easily take photos and apply them to the document. You can continue to scroll down to view all the other markup tools available. I'm now going to move on to the measurement piece, which these icons are all in purple. This functionality allows me to take length, area, and volume dimensions. So by clicking on the ruler and then first clicking the calibrate button, I need to set this document to scale. So what I'm going to do is show a length where I already know the dimension. So by clicking OK, I'm going to place a mark for this line and click the green check button. Here I'm going to enter the known length and click OK. Now my document is to scale, and I can click on the length icon and begin taking measurements. Note that the dimension automatically populates, and I'm able to move it up and down for best visibility. To take another length measurement, click on the icon and begin placing them throughout the document. By clicking on the area icon, I'll tap the four corners for the area that I'm interested in and see that the area automatically calculates itself. Note in the bottom right, you have the ability to undo any measurement or dimension that you take. If you also wanted to do volume, you can tap the four corners for the volume that you'd like to take, and note that it gives you a dimension in cubic feet. You would want to check the properties to see how many inches in depth you have as a default. The last piece of functionality I'll demonstrate is the search capabilities. By opening up the toolbar on the left-hand side and clicking on the binocular icon, I can type in text that I am looking for. For example, with all these detailed callouts, I'd like to know how many callouts there are for sheet A 511. By typing in the text, it will populate a list of all the different places that this text is on this document. I can then click on each one and note that it highlights the text for me. Now I know how many areas this detail callout is listed on this one sheet. When I'm done with my markups, I can click the green check button and I will be prompted to save or discard my changes.